Good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well. I certainly am. I have been working in the salon pretty much nonstop this week, but today is Friday. And I had a client that had car trouble. She let me know that 2 days ago, and you know that getting your car repaired sometimes takes a while. Her car has not been repaired as of this morning. And she's my last client. She was going to be my last appointment for the week. And I am not complaining at all. Thank you, subscribers, for all that you do. Thank you so much for your support, for your words of encouragement. I just want to say thank you today. And if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, then what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Come on and join the G&G family. We would love to have you to talk about family, faith, love, and of course, Sisterlocks. Now today, I wanted you to know that I've been making some purchases. Some of the purchases that I have made are not what I would normally purchase. I have been purchasing jewelry. I have a new pair of earrings that I ordered from Amazon. I was influenced by Anna Reed to purchase these earrings. I watch her style channel and I just love the way they look. I love the smaller earrings. And I can't remember who I watched that introduced me to Kendra Scott. Now, Kendra Scott is just a jewelry line. And I think I got the name right. Kendra Scott. Yeah, here it is. I purchased 3 necklaces. And I really purchased it because the price was right. And at the time that I purchased it, someone told me they were having a sale. So I went online, and if I purchased a certain amount, then I got a free one. And that's what I did. I wanted that free necklace because I want to try layering. So I bought this paperclip necklace. It's really tiny. I'm going to reach up and get these scissors and clip off the clip off the label and tell you that I see, is that price on there? It's not. It's not. But if you go to Kendra Scott's website, it should be easy to find. Because I was wanting to wear some dainty jewelry. And I've been going to St. Julian Plantation in my hometown of Utahville to purchase vegetables and fruits lately. And while down there, I saw a young lady, and she was such a wonderful young lady when it came to customer service. And I complimented her on her necklace. And she told me that that's where she got it from. And I had already watched a video where someone was wearing that. And I can't get this on, so I'm going to do it backwards so I can see. I'm going to turn to the side because this side on the mirror is much easier for me to see through. And there it is. I got it. Man, I could do this with this paper clip. Or just wear it the opposite way with just the paper clips. I'm going to see. Because I'm going to put on my free necklace with this as well. Now, mind you, I purchased these not with the idea of creating a video. But this morning I wanted to come and say hello. Let you know how I was doing. And to see how you are doing. This is very well packaged. That's the pendant. It's really small. And I'm going to wear it just because I have on a white top. And I'll show you the other necklace that I purchased in order to get this one free. This one is much shorter, but it has an extender. So hopefully it's long enough for me. Cut off that one. And may be able to clip this one easier because the end is different. There it is. I got it, guys. I got it. And there it is. Now that would be perfect. I am going to shorten it so that this can show better because I know my neckline is is going to come back up. So this is what I'm going to wear today along with these earrings. I really think it's cute. I really love it. It appears to me, when I think about it, that my style is changing somewhat from wearing the larger necklaces and earrings, and I really love it. My next necklace that I purchased is this one with the green pendant. It's really pretty. I can't wait to wear that. I'm going to tell you that for the 3 necklaces that I purchased, it doesn't tell me my price on here. Yeah. But if you go to the Kendra Scott website, you will see it. You will see it. And I bought all my necklaces in gold. And I really love it. Yes, I do. And I'm going to show you my outfit of the day as well. Because, yeah, let me go ahead. I don't know what's going on with my throat today. Maybe something in the air. I'm going to wet my hand. And I'm just going to take it through my locks. Just to loosen it up a little bit. So I'm going to wear it back like this. I have to go out and purchase my husband a new phone. What else do I need to get? My car cleaned. Need to pick up my aunt so I can take her for in the afternoon with my niece. She's hosting us for dinner. And I'm looking forward to that. Really looking forward to it. I'm going to wet my hand again. And there's a look I'm going for. Sometimes I just want to look a little bit different. So you just hold on right there. I'm going to use my Mofajang hair coloring material. I'm just going to use a little bit of it. I like to put it around my edges sometimes just so that, you guys, I'm going to tell you why. I think it gives me a look. It's sort of like, y'all hear that? It's sort of like, what it does is it tones down my gray just around my edges. And that's all that matters to me right now is the edges. Trying to get all of it on the edge. Make my edges darker. Okay, great. So today I am wearing a maxi khaki skirt, somewhat high-waisted, a white bodysuit that I purchased from Amazon, and I thrifted my skirt. I'm wearing a pair of Tommy Bahama blue sandals that I may switch out for some neutral colored sandals, and an express vest. I'm going to show you that. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God. God has been so good to me. And I just believe that if you stop, think on the goodness of the Lord, you will be able to say, just as I say, that God has been blessing me. He's been truly awesome. You know, that's a saying we say a lot. He's awesome. But let's just think about it. Think about the fact that he did not have to let us wake up this morning, but he did. And we could clothe ourselves in our own right mind. Nobody had to help us. We did it because God allowed it. And that's what I'm talking about. The goodness of God in the land of the living. Just thank you for watching. And thank you. And just take a moment to meditate on the goodness of the Lord. Have a great day. Continue watching for my outfit of the day.